Right, so come to the car this morning. This tyre had gone flat, totally flat again. It had just been repaired the other day. My battery was flat the other day. I sorted that out. I've come today, my battery's flat again. The tyres, same tyre's flat again. And as soon as I put the ignition on, the alarm went off and I couldn't switch it off. So I started to pull all this out. I took one of the wires out that is for the alarm, at least I think it is, but the other wire's going to the loom, so I was just going to disconnect the alarm because it's obviously that's draining the battery. There's a clicking noise like there's an indicator on, and that's what's been setting the alarm off, I think. The surge in power when the car's been switched off, and that's what's emptied the battery again. So there's a problem with the alarm because I couldn't disable it. I'm gonna have to go and see an electrician. I'm not getting involved with the wiring loom because you know what will happen next. The car will burn down. I mean, look at this, guys. Can you believe this? Can you see how he can open his door without hitting my car? Now, we cleared all this. When we come, it was this high, and we said to the bloke, well, where are we going to put it? He says, oh, everybody has to clean their own space. Can you see anybody parking next to each other here where they can't open the doors? This is ridiculous. So we've took a picture. I'll park a little bit further over there, but I bet you any money he just parks closer to me. I've never seen this car here before. Yeah, tell you if it wasn't for bad luck, guys. So anyway, we'll see you in a mo. Right, you're not going to believe this, or maybe you will believe it. I've just been to 3 tyre places. This is a tyre place as well, but it's also a repair shop. Electrics, everything basically, suspension, clutch. And I went to them and said, I have a puncture, can you repair my tyre? They said, no sir, I'm sorry, we haven't got one of them tyres. I said, no, I don't want you to renew the tyre. I want you to repair it, repair the puncture. No sir, we can't do it. That was at both shops, but the second shop didn't think I wanted to buy a tyre. Then I come here and I said, he's doing me electrics. I said, I've got a puncture on this tyre, it keeps going down. Can you repair it? And he comes and looks at it, this kid, and he says, I think it's because it's got a hole in it. Oh dear, gotta laugh, gotta laugh. See, I bring Mel, and Mel doesn't even know what I'm trying to say, so she can't really convey it. But when I had a problem with my brake lights, I come here, and this electrician guy is brilliant. He found the problem within like minutes and repaired it. He wasn't in there very long at all. So, I'm just wondering, that place across the road, I think that sells accessories, bumper bars and exhausts and stuff. The little place I went to said, no sir, you need a machine to, he understood what I meant. He says that you need a machine to compress the tyre and get the inner tube out. So anyway, bad news is we're going into MECQ, I think it is, MECQ. And basically 18 and below cannot go into Centro, they can't go out the house, they've got to stay in. I don't know what that's for, why it's happening again, but that's what's going to happen. So in a bit we're not going to be able to take the kids out anywhere. I think I can't remember when it's happening. Mel's mum's not very well, she's not been cooking for 3 days. She's got high blood and what have you. Mel, when does that start?
Tomorrow, the 16th until 30th.
16th till the 30th. 16th which is tomorrow to the 30th of this month. Success! There's a tyre place here. He understood exactly what I said, and he says, yeah, cool, yeah, I can repair it, no problem. I found one. See, there's loads, you just got to look around, I guess. But every time you want something for a car, you come along Conception and you'll get it sorted. But this place, it's called Rank Auto Repair. If you've got an electrical problem, I recommend you come here if you're in Naga, because this guy is amazing. He'll sort it, whatever it is. Can you imagine in the West, they'd tell you to leave your car and come back in a couple of hours, wouldn't they? Not here, you can sit and wait. Anyway, well, that's about it. That's my exciting day. I don't know what we're going to do today. We were going to go out and do a video tomorrow, but that's when this lockdown thing starts, so we can't take the kids. And again, there's nobody to look after the kids. We can't keep putting them on other people, you know. So we've got another couple of videos, a part 1 and 2 to come. I hope you like them. So in finishing, guys, we're on Conception, by the way, and as you can see, everything's busy. Allegedly somebody reported to the local authorities that Plaza was too crowded with people and nobody was social distancing, so they put notices up that you're not allowed to, you've got to social distance and stuff like that, and there's guys walking around giving people tickets, so it's best not to ignore it and just follow the rules, you know. So anyway, we're trying to get out and do more videos, guys, but of course it does cost us to do that. So you've not heard us on the end of a video ask if you've been thinking of helping us. Now's a great time. You can help us via Patreon or membership. If you go to where you actually subscribe, you'll see a member button next, and just follow the instructions. You will see any videos we do first before they go on the channel. That's about the only benefit you're going to get, guys, so you know, just look at it as you're helping us out. So until the next time, I'll get my baby to do the end bit. You see, before I go, can you see all the auto repairs and air cons? They litter this road all the way into Naga. There's nothing you can't get here. And of course, when you get something done and you're not paying for parts, labour is very cheap here. So it's over to you, babe. Nice and loud.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys.
Bye bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.